Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the player's hand in Poppy. Alright, so here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this hand, and could be a little bit tricky, but it's actually not too hard to draw, and it's a very cool looking hand. Alright, so to begin we're going to draw in this line first. So this is going to be the width of the hand. So we just draw one line across. Okay, and then once you have this, now we're going to come down here and draw this first. So right in the middle of this, just come down. So it's almost like a little triangle right here. Okay, so just come down, make a little point. And then from here, just curve slightly down here. So we're drawing this. And then now on this side, we're gonna come down. Okay, so curve right around here. So it's almost like a little half circle. And then once you have this, I'm gonna extend these lines. This one's gonna be straight. And then the bottom here is gonna be parallel to this. I know it's very strange, so just draw that first. Alright, so now that we have this, now we're going to draw in the rest of the hand. So I'm going to start back here. This one's going to come down. Just give it a slight curve until you hit that. Okay, and then now we're going to come over here. Just draw one little slant. And then from the slant, we're going to draw this curve right here. So it's going to be the same length as this. But I'm just going to give it a little bit more curve. Okay, so the thumb's going to start right here. And then from here, now we're going to curve everything in to right down here. So we just come down. So it's almost like a little bowl shape right here. Okay, so let's see, that's the hardest part, and now we're just going to draw in the fingers, which is going to be a lot easier. Alright, so let's come up here and draw in these fingers first before we draw in the thumb. So right in the middle of this, you're going to draw one little line here. Okay, from here to here, divide it in half, make a little mark here. And same thing here, in this space, divide it in half again. So these are going to be right in between the fingers. Alright. So now that we have these reference points, we're going to draw in the middle one first because it's going to be the longest. So we just go out or go up. So it's going to be kind of long. It's almost the width of this, the height of this hand actually. Okay, so once you draw that, now for the tip, just round it up. So that's going to be one, and now let's draw in the other one. So this one's a little bit shorter. Start from here. Okay, so just go up. Now come here and draw in the same line as this. Now we'll just round this part up. Okay, so that's two. So let's draw in this one right here. Or you can come across down here. Just come out, you can make a little point. And then this part's gonna go all the way down here. And now we're going to draw this line right here, same thing. And this one's going to be a slightly shorter as well. Okay, and then for the last one here, we're going to draw the same line as this over here. It's going to be even shorter for a little pinky. And then just round it up. Okay, yeah, hopefully that one's not too bad. It's always hard drawing hands. Alright, so now we can draw in the thumb. So try to keep it the same size as this, just shorter. And then just round it up. And I think that's about it. There might be some lines right here, right? If there is, I'm just gonna, on the thumb, I'm just gonna draw one curve like that. And then if you want to divide these up, we'll just draw 2 lines. Just try to split them up evenly in 3s. Okay, so actually these creases are pretty minor. I mean, if you don't want to draw them, it's okay too. Alright, so that is it for this little hand here from Poppy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.